Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in fonts into CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to use this font, this Magic School font. So I'm just going to download it, and let's go to downloads and open it. I'm just going to place it here. Let's see. Okay. So I'm just going to select the file. I'm just going to select like one of these files. There's one, there's two. Just select whichever one you want to download. Select it and just press install. Okay, it's called Magic School. Go to CapCut and you do have to close the app and open it again. So once you do that, just close and open the app again. CapCut's been loading for a long time, so just hope you guys are patient for this. But you're just going to go to like fonts later on and search for it. I'll just pause this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I'm just going to go to text and I'll add in the font. I'll just delete this. Hold on, give me a sec. Go to font here and you're just going to type in the font that you've imported, called Magic School for my one. So there it is. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.